young
Hi
boy.
guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I dyed my hair to this gorgeous blonde color. So as you guys know, my hair has always been a nice blonde color ever since I did the big chop, but it's been over a year now and all of my roots had grown out, and this is what my hair basically looked like. I only had the blonde on the tips, so I decided to use the Creme of Nature honey blonde hair dye to dye my hair, and I actually put it on the tips first because I was trying to achieve a sort of ombre type look, so the tips would be way lighter. But after dyeing my hair with this honey blonde color, it really didn't take the way I wanted it to. It turned out to be this brown type color, and I really didn't like it, so I decided to dye it a second time. And as you can see here, I'm starting off on my brown dirty looking type hair. I just didn't like the color. Like, I really wanted to go all the way blonde. And whenever I dye my hair, I love to dye my hair in sections, so I'm just sectioning out my hair and I'm going to be finger raking the dye in. That's basically all I do. I try to make sure I finger detangle as I go, just so the dye gets on like every single strand. And for this second dye job, I'm going to be using the Creme of Nature dye in the color light golden blonde, and I'm going to show you guys the pack right now. That's what it looks like. So yeah, I decided to go in with this color and I dyed my hair. Also, I want to say that the Creme of Nature dyes are way stronger than the Dark and Lovely and Clairol dye, which was what I used to dye my hair the very first time. So please just please make sure you stay in the well ventilated area. When I was dyeing my hair the first time, I stayed in the bathroom and I was choking. Even here, you can see the look on my face because the dye is really getting to me. Like, it's very harsh. So yeah, I'm just applying the dye all through my hair. Also, the light golden blonde came with the booster pack, which I wish I didn't add because I kind of got some damage in the front of my hair, which has always been the loosest texture I have in my hair. It was kind of like a 3B type texture. I really don't know what was going on in front of my hair, but if you can see the front of my hair, I've always had a very loose texture, so the dye kind of made it a bit looser, and I feel like that's just because I added the booster pack. But all in all, I kind of like the color that I got. When I was done applying the dye, I just put on a processing cap and I waited for about 20 minutes. I'm not sure. I didn't wait for as long as the pack said you should though, but if you're a first timer, you might want to wait as long as the instructions tells you to. So anyway, when I was done, I rinsed it out and this is the color that I got. It's changed a bit more since when I dyed it. It doesn't look this orange anymore, but I really love the color, and I just decided to share with you guys this quick and easy process to dye your hair without bleaching it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you in my next one.
The craziest shit I ever watched on TV was I think he was Indian. I'm not quite sure, but you know how they say snakes like music, right? Yeah. So he played a recorder and had a snake go from his nose or something like that. Like the snake went into one nostril and came out through the other. Yeah. Bro. I remember watching it with my dad. It's crazy.